Attention in the pits! Attention in the pits! Gonna need help. There's a fire. Lookout Racing is on fire.
Look him up. Look out Racing. Oh, you I can't believe this shit just happened. I don't even know what the fuck.
I hate to lose my car because them suckers will burn down quick. Once they blaze, sometimes that stuff will get away. Sometimes take your shirt out and pat it out. Sometimes your shirt will do it.
Yeah. I couldn't even think.
Nah, you can't when stuff like that happens. Your mind go blank. You think about it. My car caught on fire. I'm blowing it. Burn my eyelashes and everything. And I hate that happen. Look at how that car run good. I'm gonna go tell Lorenzo them to send somebody.
Yeah, I'm finna. Oh damn, they got my phone. Hey, what you doing? You at the track? Oh, I need a tow. Oh, okay. Oh, you got your car on the trailer?
Yeah. What you got?
The Mustang?
What?
Shit, some electrical.
Shit, I'm about to probably drop my car there and load up and come all the way back out there. Yeah, I'm about to get on 45 in a minute.
Okay, well shit, I got it on the return road.
Shit, yeah, I'll be in about 20 minutes.
So this relay here, this fuse here done got hot. Didn't want to burn. Come on. Then got hot, didn't want to burn. And tried to go and burn my whole car up. Got all these wires close to my starter solenoid. Man, it just started trying to go. It started traveling. Oh, man, it started traveling. Okay. Traveling all the way over here. Ran all the way down the line. And then said, oh! Started trying to come this side. Then burnt the wire on up right there. Can't keep coming. Oh, it's tying me up. Oh, you hurt my feelings, baby. Oh, man. Oh, man. Look at this, man. That hurt my feelings. It's the wire that's burnt up the... I don't even know what this shit go to. Man. I'm hood out. I need help. Help me, please. Help me, please.
Attention in the pits. Gonna need help. There's a fire. Lookout Racing is on fire.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.